My name is Zachary Scirone from Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm 20 years old, and this is my bike check. This is the new Haro SD V2, exclusively from Bikeworks. It's 21-inch frame, it's freaking amazing, I'm loving it. I got the Shadow bars, it's 29-inch across and 9.5 rise. Got the Sunday stem to match the Sunday forks. Great forks, great stem, loving it. I got the profile hubs, got Odyssey Aiken dirt in the front with the Odyssey path in the back. I got the Primo cranks, 175mm Odyssey twisted PC pedals with the new Primo seat. Fucking digging this thing. Got the Sunday sprocket, and I'm rolling like a big shot right now because I love this freaking bike.